Welcome students. Our next topic is magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron. Magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron. So there are three types of magnetic dipole moment in your syllabus. First was if any bar magnet have a pole strength Qm, effective length 2L, so it will be M equal to Qm into 2L. This is the magnetic dipole moment for bar magnet or permanent magnet. Second, if current drawn through any coil, so then magnetic dipole moment M is equal to IA. So that is the magnetic dipole moment for any temporary magnet. On same way we are going to start a new topic, magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron. You better know when any electron revolve surrounding any orbit or in any orbit, no doubt opposite direction of electron current start flowing. When any electron revolve in any orbit, opposite direction of electron current start flowing, it means it could be solved by that formula M equal to IA, but in the place of M it is represented by mu L. Mu L is the magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron. So simply it was represented by M, while in the case of revolving electron it will be represented by what? Mu L. So this is our aim. So according to question, when any electron, as like Bohr model, when any electron revolve in circular orbit, have a radius what? R, then in opposite direction of electron current start flowing. Flowing current is what? I. So apply right hand thumb rule. This is the invert. So magnetic dipole moment could be represented by what? Mu L. It is a inward direction. So we can find out the direction of magnetic dipole moment because it is a vector quantity by using right hand thumb rule, and it will be what? Mu L. So the formula will be mu L equal to, we better know formula. What is mu L? Mu L is equal to what? IA. In the case of revolving electron, instead of M, it is represented by mu L is equal to IA. I is the flowing current in opposite direction of electron, and A is the occupy area by that electron. Okay. So next point, mu L is equal to what value of I? You better know I is equal to Q upon capital T, total time taken in one rotation, into area pi r square. Are you getting? Mu L is equal to, we better know, Q is equal to Ne. Did you know? Q is equal to Ne. Since N is equal to 1, only one electron is revolving, so it become E upon time. Time is equal to distance upon velocity. What a total distance? 2 pi r upon V. So it will be multiplied by V. Are you getting? We can write here time is equal to distance 2 pi r upon V. 2 pi r upon V, we will go multiply by, that is V, multiply by area pi r square. Pi will cancel, 1 r will cancel out. So we will get mu L is equal to EV upon EVR. I think EV and 1 r upon 2. Are you getting the point? Magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron, mu L is equal to IA. I is equal to Q upon T into area pi r square. Q is equal to Ne, and while N is equal to 1, so simply in the place of Q you will write E upon time. Time is equal to distance, total distance 2 pi r upon, it is moving with how much velocity? What? V divided by V, it will go up. Pi and r will cancel out. You will get mu L is equal to EVR upon 2. Now our aim is gyromagnetic ratio, and gyromagnetic ratio is the ratio of magnetic dipole moment upon angular momentum. This is the angular momentum, and in class 11th I taught you L is equal to mvr. You better know this is the formula of angular momentum. Anyhow we have to subject the L, but where L is called angular momentum. So our aim is mu L upon L. This is called gyromagnetic ratio. We got the formula mu L. Why? Next our aim is what? Capital L. So we better know L is equal to mvr. We are getting Vr here, so we can multiply by Me, mass of electron. Electron is revolving, and divide by Me. We can do by mathematical process. So what we get here? This become capital L. You better know L is equal to mvr. So what will be formula? Mu L is equal to E capital L. upon 2me. E, capital L is equal to mvr. We can write here L is equal to mvr. Okay, but here not m but me, mass of electron. Okay, so at last point we can finish it. So according this, mu L upon capital L, mu L upon capital L is equal to E upon 2me. This is very, very important formula. This is called gyromagnetic ratio. G-Y-R-O, gyro. And we know the value of E. It will be, we know the value E 1.6, E is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, and mass of electron we better know. Me is equal to 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. This is the mass of electron. If we put both value, we will get mu L upon capital L. Its numerical value will be 8.8 into 10 power 8 unit coulomb, and this is kg. Its unit is coulomb per kg. This is all about your gyromagnetic ratio. Are you getting the point? So this is called gyromagnetic ratio. Okay. Next, our point is Bohr magneton. We can find out the Bohr magneton. So what are the second postulates of Bohr model? When any electron revolves in circular orbit, its angular momentum L is equal to what? L is equal to nh upon 2 pi. This is given in chemistry. Angular momentum of revolving electron L is equal to nh upon 2 pi. This is Bohr second postulates or Bohr model. Okay. So we can put the value. We know the value mu L is equal to E capital L. E capital L upon 2me. So the value of L we can put from that to that. We will get mu L is equal to E upon 2me multiply by value of L. L is nh upon 2 pi. So what we get here? Mu L is equal to, you better know for Bohr model, n is equal to 1. It is only true for n is equal to 1. So what we get here? EH upon 2 2s are 4 pi me. This is called Bohr magneton. This is called Bohr magneton. So this is all about magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron, gyromagnetic ratio, and one thing, mu L is equal to EH upon 4 pi me. If we apply the second postulates of Bohr model, so we will get EH upon 4 pi me. This is called Bohr magneton, and its value, its calculated value, you can put the value E is, H is Planck constant, pi and mass of electron. If you put all these things, you will get 9.24 into 10 power minus 24. The value of Bohr magneton, 9.24 into 10 power minus 24. So this is all about your magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron and the factors as like gyromagnetic ratio, Bohr magneton for it. Okay, that's all for today.